Welcome back, Rad Truck Works. I'm Brian, and today, WORKSPORT SC4 soft folding cover with full bed access. Let's go through the car wash. Alright, off we go. WORKSPORT SC4 is top mounted bed cover. So when a bed cover mounts to the top, like seals against the top rail of the cap, the top rail of the truck, we typically find that it does very well with water. Now, once again, like our previous videos, look at our tailgate. Tailgate's not perfect. We actually might be able to adjust this a little bit down, but it is tight. Not all tailgates are perfect, so I will expect water through that. All right, just paid. We're getting ready to go in. Some water in, which we did not plan for, so I will be getting wet here in a second. This cover did a fantastic job in this water test. 0 in the corners, 0 on the bulkhead, just that tailgate. Freedom is coming, just not yet. Now we might go back and try to adjust that cover down. Do I suggest you locking yourself in your bed to figure out if you have any light? No. You know, no truck is perfect, especially used tailgates. This truck's almost 10 years old. But this cover did an awesome job. We'll open the cover and we'll give you a rundown of what it looks like.
What?
Only the tailgate. This cover did freaking amazing. Nothing on the walls, nothing on the bulkhead.
It's just off from a tailgate.
Yeah, just fantastic. Like I was saying in the video, in the car wash, any cover that seals to the top of these bed rail caps is going to typically be very, very good with water, which is exactly what we saw. So with inside, we saw that there was a little bit of gap right here, which we might be able to adjust down with this. But all in all, super, super impressed.